5:30 in the morning. Alright, I just got done doing a gig down in the Scottsdale area on my way out of town. Anyway, yeah, I'm leaving Phoenix now. It's about, I don't know, 5 o'clock, 5:30 almost. So hopefully I can get to New Mexico by tonight. We'll see. Kind of tired, so alright, here we go, on the road. Last night I stopped at the Arizona-New Mexico border at a rest area. Got about 4 or 5 hours solid. I woke up a couple of times, but now I'm in El Paso grabbing some coffee, waiting for the sun to rise a little so it's not in my eyes. So far so good. I'm not in a super rush, but I need to get there. So anyway, El Paso. So I stopped this little wayside place over here in Texas off the 10, just east of Fort Stockton, I think. Anyway, need to stretch my legs, get my head right. Grab a little snack. I'm only like a third of the way, maybe more. I don't even know where the fuck I'm going. Somewhere in Florida, west of Kissimmee or something. I don't fucking know. All I know is I got at least 25 more hours of driving. Anyway, this is an insane amount of pumps. I can't believe how many pumps there are. It's ridiculous. It just goes on and on and on. God dang. And this place is, oh my God. See, we don't have a Buc-ee's in Arizona. Not that I know of. But this is fucking huge. Couldn't find my Reese's Pieces though. It just goes on and goes on some more. Amazing. Did you count how many of them there were? This is the scenic 98. So far I like it. Just going off the beaten path for a little bit. Alright, hey, we made it in last night, late last night. Made it to the house. There was one other adjuster here that had gotten here a couple hours before me. Got two more coming. Yeah, anyway, quick tour. This is my room for the next month at least. Every room comes with its own bathroom. I got a closet with all my stuff already laid out. But, yeah, it's like a 6-bedroom house. There, I don't know who's getting this room, but I had the Mickey Mouse room last time. Oh. But yeah, it's a pretty big house, so it's a 6-bedroom house. This is another one of the rooms. Cool. But yeah, that's it was a pretty crazy drive. It was dark out last night, so I couldn't see any damages or nothing when I was on my way in. But that was the upstairs. This is gonna be our whole work. We'll have a desk or two over here. We'll move some furniture out of the way. But this will be like our little war room. And yeah, it's pretty big layout, pretty big setup, nice kitchen. I think it's working out to about, I think Rob said $90 a day or something like that. I think it's gonna come out to like $900 a piece for the month, which isn't really bad. I mean, I already got my stuff laid out. But yeah, we got a pool with a jacuzzi, bug enclosure, I forget what they call them. A little close to the neighbors over there, but oh yeah, we got a nice little garage in here too. Pool table, food table, air hockey. Yeah, so anyway, that's my trip over here. Now it's time to get to work here soon. I'll probably spend today just readjusting, and it took me a while to catch up on my sleep, but here I am. All right, so we did some changes. We decided this area would be our pit, so to speak, our think tank. We got 3 of us in here. This is my station, my bros. We got one other guy over here. He likes to be off on his own, and we won't really use any of this space, so it's kind of a bummer we're not going to have a hangout space, but we're here to work, so whatever. But yeah, this is what it's like. Alright, everybody's cooking, got something going on, got a group kitchen action going on, some fresh meatballs being made, got some chartouche being cut up, got some celery juice.
And Rob working. There you go. There you go. You want any of that?
I don't know if you did or didn't. How do you do
Really?
that? Wooden balls?
I want. Yeah.
That's where they're staging everything, right there. I feel really bad for these people. Man, oh man.